please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
Narrated Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, Allah's messenger, peace and blessings be upon him, said, if anyone invites others to good, their reward will be the same as those who act on what they say. And if anyone invites others to follow bad things, their sin will be the same to those who act on what they say. This narration is found in Sunan Abu Dawud, number 4609. A Muslim does not only worry about themselves. A true Muslim does good deeds themselves, and invites other people to do it as well. A Muslim should love for others what they love for themselves. If a Muslim tells someone to do something good, Allah, the Exalted, will give them the reward, as if they done a good deed, even though they only told someone else to do it. So if a Muslim can do a good deed, like give charity, they should tell others to do it, and Allah, the Exalted, will give them the same reward. If a Muslim tells someone to do something bad, it will be punished, as if they done the thing, even though they only told someone else to do it. So it is very important for a Muslim to never tell someone to do something bad, like beat someone up. You might not get in trouble with teachers or the police when you do this, but you will get in trouble with Allah, the Exalted. No one can escape from the punishment of Allah, the Exalted, so do not do this.